Good morning everyone. Ayan, kamusta po kayo? Ayan, nandito kami ni Tik-Tik sa labas. Walking. Happy Monday everyone. Ayan. Start the day with a smile. At also, mag-iingat po kayo palagi pag mag-travel going to work. At yun po, don't forget kapag mainit ang panahon, drink more water. Dito kasi sa Hong Kong ay malamig pa, kaya yan, todo jacket pa rin tayo ngayon. Yung dikdek, ayan, ito guys, school nga pala ito, building ng school. Ayan, kumusta po kayo? Ayan. Don't forget kumain before work. And also, don't forget exercise para, yun na, healthy life. Maka-healthy life. Kami ni Dik-Dik over na ng exercise kasi twice a day. Yan, naglalakad kami. At hindi lang yun. Siyempre, nagtatrabaho tayo. And kilos-kilos in the whole day. Yan. Ingat palagi. Yan. Bye-bye.